constructing green industrial channels with the power of science and technology. Promoting the flourishing development of enterprises with one-stop professional services. Let every light illuminate the path of customers' harvest. Vayner was founded in 2014, located in the most innovative Shenzhen. It is a high-tech enterprise with LED grow light, research and development, design and sales as a whole. The business reaches a variety of plant-growing customers around the world, maintaining 24-hour round-the-clock service. The company provides customers with professional plant lighting with customized high yields, widely used in hemp growing, vegetable growing, flower and fruit growing, medicinal herb growing, and special growing such as spices. It offers a variety of solutions such as vertical farming, indoor growing, greenhouse growing, and hydroponic growing. With low cost and high output, the company improves the economic efficiency of customers and keeps advancing the enterprise to the leader of LED plant lighting industry. Vayner keeps gathering top talents in the industry and cooperates extensively with top universities in LED plant lighting. It has built an R&D team of 20 senior engineers and set up 2 R&D centers in Shenzhen and Tokyo, Japan, to build up strong R&D strength. Vayner has several international certifications, several product certifications, and dozens of domestic and foreign intellectual property certificates. Intelligent manufacturing achieves excellent quality of products. Vayner has set up 2 factories in Shenzhen and Dongguan, customizing the first fully automated assembly line in the plant lighting industry. The company has built a standardized, dust-free production workshop and a skilled professional team with a monthly production capacity of up to 30,000 lamps. In the future, Vayner will continue to focus on the LED grow lighting business with the ideal of constantly creating brilliance. With its profound heritage and enterprising spirit, it is exploring the infinite possibilities of green economy and striving to reach the top of the industry.